Introducing the new Ferrari 488 Pista. Geneva unveiling for exhilarating, high-performance new special series. The Ferrari 488 Pista, which will be unveiled at the upcoming Geneva Motor Show, is the successor to Ferrari's V8 engine special series, the 360 Challenge Stradale, 430 Scuderia and 458 Speciale, which have received critical acclaim for their performance and undiluted handling. The Ferrari 488 Pista marks a significant step forward from the previous special series in terms of both sporty dynamics and for the level of technological carryover from racing. The name is, in fact, a direct homage to Ferrari's unparalleled heritage in motorsports. Lighter and more powerful, the new model weighs an impressive 90 kg less, 1,280 kg dry, than the 488 GTB. This fact, combined with the largest ever increase in engine power for a special series car, plus 50 CV, sets a new benchmark for Ferrari's V8 sports cars. Its engine is the most powerful V8 in Ferrari history and is an extreme evolution of the turbo unit that won the overall International Engine of the Year award titles in both 2016 and 2017. It punches out 720 CV with the highest specific output of in its class, 185 CV/L, and is now lighter too thanks to solutions adopted from the 488 Challenge. As a result, it has a top speed of 340 km/h and sprints from 0–100 km/h in 2.85, and 0–200 km/h in 7.6. The engine sound is unique and unmistakably Ferrari, as such a special car warrants. Both the sound quality and the intensity are higher than the 488 GTB in all gears and at all engine speeds in proportion with the progressive increase in power. A powerful, efficient design. The design of the Ferrari 488 Pista is focused on functional aerodynamic concepts while the cockpit is pared back in keeping with its very sporty vocation. Ferrari design used innovative elements, such as the aerodynamic S-duct at the front, as an opportunity to visually shorten the car's nose, creating an original floating wing effect. The racing livery color scheme is an integral part of the design of the car, and the way it dives into the S-duct underscores the Berlinetta's compact yet imposing form.